good place to use that card. But they're actually making the finally get Puppet Xyz monster in English this coming July, which is a good idea. These things are really hard to open up now for some reason. So I got a rare Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon, so that's one of the rares I was looking for. Awesome card. So the rare I'm looking for is a number. Of course, I'm trying to get a full place of the cards I'm looking for. But at least getting one of each is a good start, though. So I'm still looking for number 69 Heraldry Crest, which is Betrix's key number card. But even though it doesn't say Heraldic Beast on it, still with still does belong to the Heraldic Beast deck. So I got a rare Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf. And I got a super rare number 105 Battling Boxer Star Cestus. So I did get the 105. So now I got that and its chaos number. So perfect box already. This box is, awesome already. Getting so far some really good cards here too. So doing really good. Hopefully I get the card in the front too. That's what I'm looking for too. And even the rank up magic card be good too. So maybe you can get that. Hopefully open up that 6-9 because that's a rare card. That should be easy to open up too. Get like 24 chances to open up that card. So I got a rare Chaos Xyz Dark Fairy Cheer Girl again. Which I hope they do a special edition of this box too, of this pack too. Which I hope they do and put a couple good promos in it too. Because then if they do, I'll be doing a pack opening of that too. So I got a rare Altitude Knight. Pack's open really weird. So I got a rare Xyz Revenge. It's a good card. Now for the left side here. So we got a rare Battling Boxer Led Yoki. And a super rare Sacred Sword of 7 Stars. It's another card that people get obsessed over. Hoping to get that Hysteric sign, because that's their super rare I'm looking for. Rare Brotherhood of the Firefist Rhino. It's nice to at least get one of the number 69s. That'd be nice to get at least one. Rare Altitude Knight. Another rare Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. So I need to get one more of those. Kind of hoping to get the number 69 because that's another main piece of memory too. It's a really good card too. So I got a rare Do a Barrel Roll. And I got ultra rare Rank Up Magic Variance Force. Another card I was looking for too. So I got the Rank Up card now, so awesome card too because it can be used for special summoning number C monsters or Chaos Xyz monsters. So it's another really good card too. So that's 2 ultra rares right there. No ultimate rares, so maybe the ultimate rare might be number 107. That's what I'm hoping it is, or a ghost rare. So far, still need to get number 69, 107, Harpy Channeler, and Hysteric Sign, of course, the Windrose Element Lord. So yeah, hopefully get that 69 soon too, because that's another card I need to get. Really start making these packs easier to open up. So I got a rare Fairy Cheer Girl to go with the Chaos Xyz Fairy Cheer Girl. And then I got a super rare Madolche Hoot Cake. So where's that 69? So rare Mecha Phantom Beast Tetherwolf. These rares are really repeating themselves too. So got 5 packs left. So I got a rare Go 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 Gygus. Nice, there it is. A number 69 Heraldry Crest. Awesome. I already have the number 8 Heraldic King Genome Heritage, so got my number 69. I was kind of wondering if I wasn't going to get that, and I was really hoping to, and I got one, so happy about that now. So out of all 9 cards I've got, I've so far tally them up at the end though. Out of the 9, I'll see which ones I've gotten. So last 3 packs, so maybe pull a Hysteric Sign or maybe 107. Still need to get an alternate rare too. So I got a rare Wheel of Prophecy. So the last 2 packs. So I got a rare Ice Beast Zero Fine and a super rare Duck Fighter. So no ultimate rare yet, so probably this last pack here might have the ultimate rare in it. Or maybe something that might even shock me too, maybe Ghost Rare. If I want an ultimate rare something, there could be Harpy Channeler or number 107. I will choose 107. So let's see if I get my final number card out of here, which is the card on the front. Number 107, Galaxy's Tachyon Dragon. And no, I actually got, so I got a rare Trifort Tressops, and then I got an ultimate rare Harpy Channeler. So I did get another one of the cards I was looking for too. Not the 107 one, but of course I can get that next time. So yeah, so cards I didn't get out of this one. So Windrose the Elemental Lord, Hysteric Sign, and number 107 Galaxy's Tachyon Dragon. So 3 cards out of the 9 I didn't get, which is pretty good. I got 6 out of 9. It's really good. That's 2/3 of the way there. So yeah, Secret Rare, a Super Rare, and the other one's Ultra Rare, Ghost or whatever. So I'll go over all the cards I got though too. So first of all, I'll go over the main rare cards I got. So I got 2 Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragons, 1 number 69 Heraldry Crest, a super rare Sacred Sword of 7 Stars, a super rare Duck Fighter, super rare Madalche Hoot Cake, super rare Madalche Knights, a super rare number 105 Battling Boxer Star Cestus. For the ultra rares, I got a ultra rare Rank Up Magic Variance Force, an ultra rare number C105 Battling Boxer Comet Cestus. For the ultimate rare was a Harpy Channeler, and for the secret rare was a Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Cardinal. So that was in total 5 super rares, 2 ultra rares, 1 ultimate rare, 1 secret rare, and I think that's the foil ratio you get per box. Yeah. So, and I'll want to do another pack opening of this again some point soon too. Maybe get another box, or probably sometime later, or just get single packs from one, or wait till when the special edition comes out and do an opening of that too. But yeah, only 3 more cards to go that off my list: Windrose the Elemental Lord, Hysteric Sign, and number 107 Galaxy's Tachyon Dragon. So yeah, that concludes this Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack opening. So, and again, I'll be letting you know about the new Famous Sport list, what there is, and if I'll do anything else too, along with all the stuff I'll be doing this upcoming June, I mentioned in previous episodes. So yeah, this is Spring King signing off. Get your game on.